welcome to Resolute Homestead. Thank you for checking out our channel. My name is Terry, and Jonah is my husband. We are on a journey to own land, animals, grow food, and be as self-sufficient as possible. We have already been waiting 7 years, but have 3 more to wait. In the meantime, we'll be endeavoring to learn new skills. Sometimes that means home improvement projects. Sometimes it's learning to grow food so someday we don't have to rely on the grocery store. Sometimes it's fixing or maintaining our vehicles. The more skills we have, the less reliant we are on others to do things for us. If you are interested in watching, please subscribe to our channel. We would love the support and encouragement.
High five. Good boy.